Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to buy ETH on Exodus. First, open your Exodus wallet on your desktop or mobile device. Make sure your wallet is fully updated to access the latest features and ensure smooth transactions. Navigate to the exchange or buy crypto section within the application. This is where you'll initiate the purchase process. It's a straightforward way to add Ethereum to your portfolio directly from your secure wallet. Once you're in the buy section, you'll need to select your preferred payment method. Exodus typically offers options like bank transfers, debit cards, or other third-party payment processors. Consider the associated fees and processing times for each choice, as these can differ. For instance, a bank transfer might take a few business days, while a debit card purchase could be nearly instant. Always review the terms before proceeding. After selecting your payment method, you'll enter the amount of Ethereum you want to buy. The application will display the current exchange rate and any applicable fees, showing you the total cost and the amount of ETH you will receive. Take a moment to double-check all the details, including the amount and the final price. Once confirmed, the transaction will process, and your newly acquired ETH will be deposited directly into your Exodus wallet. Security is paramount when managing your crypto. Always safeguard your Exodus wallet's 12-word recovery phrase, never share it with anyone. This phrase is the key to your funds. Also, consider enabling two-factor authentication if available, adding an extra layer of protection to your account. Remember to check the description below for a link to Grab Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Keeping your wallet secure ensures your digital assets remain safe and accessible for future use.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.